20-2 work together. Inventory costing information for Sunshine Spas is given in the tables. We're going to calculate the cost of ending inventory using the FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average methods. There are 15 units in ending inventory. So first method we're looking at is our FIFO. Remember, FIFO stands for first in, first out. It's saying that we have 15 units in our ending inventory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to the bottom and I'm going to type in 15. Now, in, first out, what that means is that the first ones that I've purchased are going to be the first ones that I've sold. So the ones that I have left over are going to be the last ones that I've purchased. So I'm going to start from the bottom here. And on November 8th, I purchased 9. So I'm going to take all 9 of those. Now, 15 minus 9 leaves 6 more. So I need 6 more from this August 28th purchase. Okay, so 6 plus 9 is 15. That's what I have left on hand. I then am going to figure out my FIFO cost. So I have 6 units at the price of $38. So 6 times 38. That gives me $228. I'm going to do the same thing for the November 8th ones. 9 times 40, which is $360. So my FIFO cost is going to be $228 plus that $360, and I get $588. Okay, now I'm going to look at LIFO. LIFO means last in, first out. So it means these last ones that I've purchased are the first ones that I sell. So what's left over is going to be the first ones that I bought. Okay, so I'm going to start up here now. Remember, my units left on hand are 15. So this first one, beginning inventory from January 1st, I'm going to use 14 of those. Then I just have 1 left from my March 29th. Okay, 14 plus 1 is 15. I need to figure out my, this should say LIFO, not FIFO, my LIFO costs. I have 14 at the price of $32, which will be $448. And then I have 1 at the price of $34, which is simply $34. I'm going to add 448 plus 34 to get my LIFO cost of $482. Okay, last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out my weighted average. So here they have some things that we need to fill in at the bottom. It says, what is the weighted average price per unit? So I'm going to add up I'm actually going to look at our total costs first. So let's do this. I'm going to take 14 times my 32. That's going to give us 448. 9 times 34 is 306. 10 times 36 is 360. 8 times 38 is 304. 9 times 40 is 360. Okay, I'm going to add up the total cost then. So 448 plus 306 plus 360 plus 304 plus 360. I should get $1,778. I'm going to take that total cost divided by my total units. So 1,778 divided by 50 units. That gives me an average weight, or a weighted average price per unit of $35.56. What is the cost of ending inventory toward the weighted average method? Remember, it said that we had 15 on hand at the end. So I'm going to take 15 times my weighted average price of 35.56. And my cost of ending inventory then is going to be $533.40. Okay, so there's my FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average. I'm going to check answer. and move on to my 20-2 on your own. When you're done with that, you can do the 20-3 lecture video.